Rashmika Mandanna is currently enjoying a golden run with back-to-back blockbusters, and I wanted to recreate this beautiful look that she had worn during the Chaava promotions. So if you're really keen into learning how to get this beautiful eye look, let's get started with today's video. As you can see from this picture, Rashmika's brows are pretty filled in, and to do this we need to make sure our brows are all combed back. I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz pencil in the shade dark brown to fill in my brows. Create hair-like strokes so that the brow doesn't look too heavy and too overfilled. Now I'm using the L'Oreal Brow Lamination Gel to seal them in place. With my MAC concealer in the shade NC 43.5, I'm applying this all over the lids. Going in with the Sigma Cordi Rosa palette and the shade Apricot, using the E35 brush, let's apply this on the eyelid. Make sure you're applying this into the crease and towards the outer corner of the eye, and also bring it towards the inner corner. Back in with the shade Apricot, apply that to the lower lash line. Now with the Nikia Joy Cosmetics E03 brush and the shade Medallion, let's apply that on the outer corner of the eye first. This has to be a precise application. Back in with the same shade, let's build up the color. Blend that into the crease. And now back into the shade Medallion, let's build up the color on the outer corner of the eye, but also let's apply that from the inner corner going to the middle of the eye. We are creating a beautiful halo eye look here. And with a fluffy brush, blend that out into the previous shade. With the E42 brush and the shade Bare Root, let's apply that on the outer corner of the eye. And with the shade Medallion, let's blend that out together. For a seamless look, use a tapered brush to blend. With the shade Bare Root, apply that on the inner corner of the eye too. Be very precise with your application. And with the Nikia Joy Cosmetics E03 brush and the shade Medallion, blend that into the previous shade. With the Jessup E04 brush and the shade Medallion, apply that to the lower lash line. And back into the shade Bare Root, blend that out and deepen out the colors too. Now with a more precise brush like the A7 Morphe brush and with the shade Bare Root, we're going to be applying that very close to the lash line. Your eyes will look something like this. And now with the shade Medallion, blend that out on the lower lash line. With the shade Belle of the Ball, and we're going to be using our fingers, let's tap that only on the center of the eyelid. And now with the shade Medallion, blend that into the matte shade. I can see that most of you are not subscribed to my channel, but you're enjoying my content. So please make sure you're hitting the subscribe button. Take your spoolie brush, as we're going to be removing out any fallout from the shimmer shade. Now with the Huda Beauty Creamy Kohl pencil in the shade Very Vanda, let's line the upper lash line, but make sure it's pretty thin. And with any pencil brush, blend that out. To make it more smoky, I'm using a black eyeshadow and lining the Creamy Kohl pencil. And I'm doing that on the bottom lash line too. It helps define the eyes better. In this picture, you can see Rashmika has pulled out a bit of a wing and not too much. So that's exactly what I'm doing. And now with the Creamy Kohl pencil, apply that to the waterline. Don't forget to tightline. If you're enjoying this video so far, please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel too. And with the clean brush, make sure you're removing out any fallout from the shadows. Now take your concealer and apply that underneath the eyes. Blend it out with a sponge. Now go ahead and curl your lashes. And for mascara, I'm using the Patrick Ta Major Volume Mascara. This is the first time I'm trying it, so let's see how it looks. And there you have it guys, this is Rashmika's beautiful halo eye look. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure you're hitting the like button, subscribe, don't forget to leave a comment, and I'll see you again next week. See you guys, have a good one, bye bye.